bootstrapping. What is bootstrapping in chef? So this player picture will clearly define you what is bootstrapping. Okay. So it's a workstation where we perform the task, and this is the web chef server. So that is the chef server is act as a intermediator, act as a mediator between the workstation and the nodes. So whatever the task or work we are going to do, that's we going to do it in workstation, and from workstation we are going to put it on the server, and then from the server it will automatically get connected to the nodes, and connecting between the nodes and the chef server process is called bootstrapping. So once we have the configuration or any update, so node gets that configuration files from this chef server. So about the definition, the bootstrapping process involves setting up your chef client on your node. So it's a chef server. So yes, there's a need of chef client, which is where we get set up in the each nodes. Chef client communicate with the chef server to receive direction for its own configuration. So it's receive configuration. What I mean, it will connect with it's communicate with the chef server, and whatever the commands or direction is need, it will get from the chef server. After the client receives the policy, it applies to the node and ensure the client is configured as per the direction of the server. So it's a clear definition. So once the client connect with the server, so whatever the policy is given by the chef server, so according to that, chef client will make the changes in the nodes. Okay. So this is the simple definition. This picture will clearly explain you how what is bootstrapping. So let's do the lab. Uh, I already have connected with my instance. That's good. So let's see what we have now. So in this, I have to go with the directory that is cookbooks, and in this we have the receipt cookbooks. So yes, we have two cookbooks. One is Apache cookbook and test cookbooks. So okay, so that's fine. Now so this is the workstation. Okay, here's the workstation which I'm going to do some task or the configuration what we need to do. So this is the chef. This is the workstation, or same as workstation, and chef server, which I told you in the image. This one. So it is called chef manage. Not I will log out and show you. Yes. So if you type here also in URL, if you type chef manage.io, manage.chef.io, that is the page. So here you need to create an account for the first time user. So I already had an account, so I created, and if I click sign in, so this is the server. Okay, so you can see here it's notes, reports, policy. So there was a treat ones, organization. Okay, so it's totally empty now. Okay, and we will do some task, and then we will verify what we did. Now we are going to connect this workstation with our chef server. So to connect with the chef server, uh, let's go with the. So to connect the chef server, we need the configuration of this server in workstation. So if you once you log in, you will see the options like this, like notes, report, policy, and administration. So you have to go with the administrator, and administration under it you will see the starter. You need to select starter kit. So this is called download, showing download starter kit. Okay. So you need to click this one and hit proceed. So it's downloaded. Show me in the folder. Okay. So this is the chef server, and it's in zip format. So if you have already, if you don't have, you have to use any unzip software to make it unzip. So this is the repo, chef repo, uh, which I downloaded, and these are the configuration of these are the default folders which are available in the chef server. So come back to the chef downloads, and what we need to do, we need to connect this workstation. Okay, uh, we need to connect our Linux workstation with our chef server. So for that, actually right now we are in Windows. Okay, so in this Windows, I will download. I need to transfer this kit to the my workstation, to my Linux workstation. Okay, so let me tell again. I have downloaded the starter kit in my Windows download folder, and I want to transfer this to my Linux server. Okay, so how we can do? For that, we need to use the software that is called WinSEP. So it's a popular HTTP client and FTP client for visual copy file between local computer and remote server using. You can see that the definition. It's a free and open source SSH file transfer protocol. Amazon S3 secure copy protocol for messages. Its main function is to file transfer between local server and the remote server. So its main function is to transfer the file. So you need to download. I already have downloaded it. I will show you. So WinSCP. Let's try to open. No, not needed. Okay. So here it shows. It is my local computer. It is my and here it shows to connect. Okay. So to host name, let's go with the instance. I need to use this public DNS. Let's use the public DNS to connect. Username is easy. User. Password, I'm using the key, so I need to go with the advanced authentication, browse, private key, right? And in this, I have the key attributes, click OK, and login. So it's searching, continuing connecting, and so and it's a catch, yes, click yes, username, authenticate, that's so you can see here in our Linux, we have successfully connected with our Linux server. And here you can see in cookbooks I have two cookbooks. I mean in the directory of cookbooks I have the two cookbooks, that is Apache cookbook, test cookbook. That's good. And I have default notes, and that is the chef workstation. That is I downloaded the copy of it's a workstation file. Okay, so right now I need to move it. So here if we need to go browse, go with the download, click OK. Okay, let's unzip it first. Extract out. Yes. So actually, it was in zip file, so that's why it's not shows now. I have unzipped it. It must show now. Okay, here you can see chef starter. Yes. So it's the same. Yeah, that's fine. Chef starter zip file, and this is unzip file. So let's pop. Just drag. just drag to it to the here on the Linux server. So it's just getting copied to the Linux from the Windows. Okay, so it's successfully copied. To verify that, let's go to the Linux server, make it clear, ls. Okay, come back. Yeah, let's go. Here you can see chip server, and this was the previously we already have on that one. So if you want to verify, just to see just whatever else. Yeah, here you can chip server. So these are you can see it was previously. Okay, so that's good. We have successfully bring the files from the workstation from the Windows to the Linux server. So now let's connect with the so let's make the IP start the cipher verify the name. So this is my configuration file and this is my Ranjit Kumar 7p. So that's the key authentication key which is to verify. So that's fine. Come back. Now I need to connect this workstation. Right now we have configuration, but we have not connected with our workstation, with our self server, right? We have the configuration file, we got it. Now we need to connect it. So to connect it, you have to type command my SSL check. Okay, let me see what is the why I am not able to connect. I will get back to you on this. Thank you. So hi guys. So you can see I have successfully connected with the API server. So this is because actually we need to run this command under the .chef. So we just came to the root user and then we try to connect. That's why it's got failed. Okay, I can see here. So I was under yeah. So here you can see I'm trying to connect with the root user. So that's not good. You cannot be connect with the HF server if you're trying to connect with the root user. You need to log into the you need to go to the chef file. So like you can see here, I went to the ls dot hyphen a which will show the hidden file also. So then I went to cd dot chef here. I in this and I in this I got two files config.rb. Okay, and so this I verified the connectivity and under the job same under the dot chef I run the command. Here you can see. So knife SSL check that is used to connect your workstation with the self server, and in this it shows connecting to host server with the HTTP server 443 and which has been successfully connected. Okay, yeah. So here it is the works. We are in a workstation. So to verify, you can see here. If starter, we have this step starter package on this. Now we need to connect with the node. To connect with the node, first we need to create it in AWS instance. So I already have created. You can see it. This is my chef server and this is my node one. And make sure when you create a node, it need to be on the same availability zone. So here you can see app south A and app south 1A. So both are in the same availability zone and have been successfully created. Okay. Now, in this, so to connect with the workstation must know the authentication key of the node. So first we move. So that is the PMK key. Like I will show you the key which primary the private key which is your. I need to connect with the workstation first here. To connect with the workstation, I need to copy the public DNS. Go to advanced. Okay, so we need to use the. So here I use the command. Okay, so it's attribute. Okay, now we'll login. So it's searching for the host. Yes. So okay, so here we have. Let's go with the game. So now we need to connect the workstation with our node. So to know connect it with it. So what we have to do? So we have to move the this client one. Okay, so we have to move the key in the chef repo. Now go to the chef, chef repo. Okay. So run the command. Okay, so that's good. We have successfully connected with the node.